3 benefits virtual reality can bring to your business in the coming years. Businesses all around the world are now integrating technology to enhance products and services and keep up with the times. The anticipated new tech trends for the coming years are leaning towards incorporating expanded reality options such as virtual reality in numerous industries, especially in retail. Why use VR in business? There are a number of benefits for business when using VR technology. Enhanced customer experience. VR allows a more immersive and focused shopping experience. Consumer senses are engaged and able to immerse themselves and focus on the virtual experience without external distractions. Immersive and interactive marketing strategies. VR technology allows businesses to have a great deal of flexibility in utilizing the try before you buy concept. With VR, product marketing revolves around creating an immersive first-hand experience of the product. VR is capable of transporting people to anywhere, real or imagined. This technology shifts marketing from telling the story of a product to showing and letting consumers and investors experience the product themselves. Advanced business and consumer analytics. VR allows consumers to evaluate the marketability, performance, and quality of the product. Businesses are able to collect more robust information on how products are received by consumers. With the continued expansion of VR technology development and use, it is estimated that 1/3 of the total global consumers will be using VR by 2020. And with more people having access and utilizing such technology, businesses will surely follow by providing VR-compatible products and services. Harnessing such technology to be accessible for businesses enhances products, services, marketing strategies, and customer loyalty. We'll have more VR-related content coming your way. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.